of trying and testing artificial and chemical based methods to cope up your diseases? If yes, then it is time for you to try the magic of nature. Naturecure is a tool and a means of life which focuses on our immune, hormonal, nervous and detoxification methods of our body. Naturopathy brings the harmony between Mother Nature and also our inner nature, a balance between our body, mind and spirit. Naturopathy is safe and effective. Naturopathy not only treats our body diseases, it treats also our mental disabilities and disorders. It is safe, inexpensive and easily we can perform all the home remedies and naturopathy treatments at our home. Naturopathy helps in preventing diseases by eliminating the toxins, by providing good nourishment to your cells and body organs, and also it helps in conditioning your body by strengthening the immune system. Naturopathy treatments treat diseases, not only preventing the diseases but also if they arrive, then naturopathic treatments help in treating the diseases by eliminating the root cause of the disease, that is the accumulation of toxic matters in our body, and thereby reversing all the chronic lifestyle related disorders. Naturecure treatments focuses on individualized approach. Patient may be suffering from different variety of disorders, or even if patients are suffering same type of diseases, person to person manifestation of that disease may be different. Hence, the physicians of naturopathic treatments will focus on individualized approach, the case taking and detailed thorough knowledge about the history of the disease of a patient. And also, physicians give utmost importance for the individualized therapies one should go through, different modes of dietary changes by different varieties of therapies which they have to undergo, and also different variety of lifestyle modifications a person should follow. And also, the naturopathy physicians give utmost importance for the individualized care and concern, and chalk out the different variety of diet charts and treatment modalities for individual person so that he can change his lifestyle in the coming days. I hope this video is helpful and informative. If you have any doubts, please comment below and hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. Please subscribe to our LifeAtNature YouTube channel and also share with your family and friends. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Namaste.